Hi, this is Vikas Bhager, a software engineer at Google, and welcome back to my YouTube channel VB Codes. This is the second part of the video where I am going to discuss how to start with DSA and what are the best resources that will be very beneficial for you. In the first part of the video, we saw what are the prerequisites of starting with DSA and what are the best resources for learning arrays and strings. And we also saw how many questions you should do in each of these topics. If you have not watched my previous video, you can find the link here. But before moving forward, if you are new to the channel or have not subscribed to it yet, then press the subscribe button and hit that bell icon to get notification every time I upload a new video. Just like my previous video, all the resources will be divided into two parts. First one will be a very basic and bare minimum that you have to do in order to build a strong foundation. And the other part will be slightly advanced resources which you should only do once you are comfortable with the basic ones. So let's start. So the first topic that we will discuss today is linked list. For linked list, I found that GFG has the best set of questions. They start from very basic and give you a nice introduction about what are linked lists, why we need them, and what are the differences between linked list and arrays. If you prefer video mode of lecture, then you can find this video on introduction of linked list on my code schools. Don't worry, you don't have to write any of these things. You will find the links to all these resources in the description box. Once you have done the basic theory of linked list, you can start doing the questions and you can do all these 25 questions from GFG. And after completing these questions, you can move on to some advanced topics like circular linked list, doubly linked list. After completing all these questions, you don't have to go to any other website for practice because GFG already contains a wide variety of problems and the problems that you already did actually covered all the topics in linked list. The next topic that I would recommend you to do is matrix. Though this is not that advanced concept in DSA, but I have seen that many times questions are asked as it is from this topic. So at least do the standard problems from it. Again, I found that GFG has a pretty nice set of about 25 questions on matrix and you should definitely do them. And these questions are more than enough to get a basic understanding. There are advanced problems in the matrix section of LeetCode, but I would recommend you to skip them for now and do them once you have done all the important concepts in DSA and have some extra time to spare. Stack is another very important concept in DSA, and if you are an absolute beginner, I would recommend you to do the introductory and the standard problem section of Stack from GFG. Here you will find the basic problems which will help you in building a strong foundation. Basics of stacks must be very clear because stack is going to be used in solving the problems of some advanced DSA concepts. Once you have a good level of understanding of the topic, then you can move on and do some hard level problems from LeetCode. Go to the stack section of problems in LeetCode and sort the problems on the basis of difficulty. You have to do at least 20 to 30 problems of medium and hard level of difficulty, and after that you will be able to tackle any problems that involve the concept of stack. Complementary to stack, we have queue, which is an equally important concept and will act as an ammunition for tackling some advanced level problems in DSA. Again, if you are a beginner, I would recommend you to do the introductory and the standard problems of queue in GFG. The basic problems there will help you in building a strong foundation, and once you are comfortable with those problems, then we can move on some advanced level problems in LeetCode. Just go to the queue section in LeetCode, sort the problems on the level of difficulty, and here since the number of problems are little less, then you can solve all the medium and hard level problems on queue. Interview also have some nice set of problems on stacks and queue, and you should definitely do them in order to improve your speed. But again, all these problems are optional and you should only do them once you have done all the other important DSA concepts and have enough time. I will end the video here and we will discuss other important DSA topics like binary tree, graph, dynamic programming, etc. in my next video. You can find the link to all these resources in my description box. I hope you like the video, and if you do, please hit that like and subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family. This is Vikas Bhager signing off.